A prominent professional forum, known as Kaduna Scribes, has dismissed recent reports suggesting that Southern Kaduna, particularly Kauru Local Government Area, has been neglected amid rising insecurity. A statement issued on Friday by its national chairman, Comrade Ezekiel Gambo, the forum described the claims as misleading and unfounded, stressing that such reports failed to reflect the deliberate and proactive security measures being implemented by Governor Uba Sani's administration. While acknowledging that isolated security incidents continue to occur in parts of Kauru and other communities, Kaduna Scribes explained that portraying the situation as a result of government neglect constitutes a gross distortion of facts and a flawed narrative. The statement stated that tackling insurgency and banditry is a complex task and noted that no credible leader, especially Governor Sani, would remain passive in the face of threats to peace and stability. Gambo observed that since assuming office, Governor Sani has prioritized the protection of lives, restoration of peace, and promotion of unity across Southern Kaduna and the wider state, stressing that his administration has adopted an intelligence-driven security strategy anchored on collaboration, inclusiveness, and sustainability. According to him, regular high-level security meetings involving service chiefs, the Kaduna State Security Council, and community stakeholders to coordinate rapid responses to threats. Enhanced troop deployments and sustained patrols in vulnerable communities to deter attacks. He added that continuous engagement with traditional rulers, youth groups, and religious leaders to improve intelligence gathering has strengthened peaceful coexistence, pointing out that rehabilitation programs and support for the safe return of displaced persons to previously affected areas. The Kaduna Scribes said the administration's whole-of-society approach is deliberate, consistent, and yielding measurable results despite the challenges posed by criminal elements. The forum urged community leaders, stakeholders, and petitioners to support ongoing security efforts through constructive engagement rather than amplifying narratives that could heighten fear or disrupt operations. The Kaduna Scribes reaffirmed their confidence in Governor Uba Sani, stating that his government remains committed to rescuing abducted persons, safeguarding lives and property, and consolidating lasting peace across Southern Kaduna.